It is every parent's dream to give their children the best possible education. But what if you didn't just send them there? You live right next to it. Welcome to a home designed for families who value nature, education, and a conscious way of living. Located just minutes away from Green School Bali, this villa offers more than just a place to stay. It offers a lifestyle that your family can grow into. Built in 2022, the property sits within a peaceful eco-village, giving you a sense of community while still maintaining privacy. Inside, you'll find 150 square meters of thoughtfully designed living space, fully furnished and ready for you to move in. The home blends modern comfort with natural elements, perfect for families who appreciate simplicity and warmth. The open-plan kitchen and dining area creates a natural gathering space, whether it's breakfast before school or a quiet dinner surrounded by jungle views. The villa features 4 bedrooms, currently configured as 3 bedrooms, plus a cozy TV room, ideal for family movie nights or a flexible study area for homeschooling. There are 2 bathrooms in this house and 1 guest toilet designed for both convenience and comfort. Let's now step outside, and this is where the house truly shines. A generous 50 square meters pool overlooks uninterrupted jungle views facing the Ayung River down below. And for those of you who may ask, the answer is yes, there is a direct access down to the river via private stairs. Imagine your children growing up surrounded by greenery, fresh air, and a like-minded community just minutes from one of the most unique schools in the world. With a dedicated villa manager, cleaning staff, and gardener already in place, daily life here feels effortless. This isn't just a villa. It is a home for families who want their children to grow up differently, closer to nature, communities, and meaningful living. If that sounds like your vision, then this might be the one you've been looking for. And now, contact us to schedule a private viewing. With that being said, my name is Bagus from Bali Real Estate Consultants, and I'll see you in the next video.